In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your iPad using iTunes. Now this will work on both a Windows and also a Mac computer. Now the first step is you need to open up your Start menu. And then we just need to go and load up the iTunes application. Now if you don't already have this installed, you can go and download this completely for free. So you can see right now that I'm on the Microsoft Store and I'm just going to download iTunes from here. Now once you have iTunes downloaded, simply go and open up the app. Now once you have this open, we need to go and grab our iPad and also a USB-C cable. We're going to plug one end of the cable into the iPad and the other end into our laptop or Mac computer. Now once you've connected the device, you may see a pop-up on your computer like this. Just go and press continue. You will also need to go and unlock your iPad and you'll see a notification, trust this computer. Just click on trust. So you may get this pop-up, a new iPad software version is available for your iPad and you can go and download and update it directly from this window here. Now if it doesn't pop up like this, then you can click on the iPad logo in the top of the navigation, and over in this right hand side you can click on the update button, and then you can go and update your iPad directly from here. So you can just go through the steps by clicking next, click on agree. You'll need to enter the passcode to your iPad and that's going to download the latest version. Make sure to keep your iPad and your computer connected while this update takes place, and it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.